In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Amazon Warehouse Deals feature. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Amazon application. Here, you want to simply tap on the menu tab. Now, inside of your menu, what you want to simply go ahead and look for is going to be the Amazon Resale tab. If you simply go ahead and look for it, if you don't find it, however, it could not be on you or available in your region. It is not at mine, but you can simply go ahead and search for the Shop by Department tab and then search for the Amazon resale. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and purchase from there, and you'll get a lot of different discounts on those. So you want to understand the condition grades first. So Amazon thoroughly inspects and grades each item before listing. So pay close attention to these four conditions. If it says like new, the item is in perfect condition, but the packaging may be damaged or open box. If it says very good, then the item has seen limited use and remains in excellent condition. It may have minor cosmetic imperfections. If it says good, the item shows wear but remains in good working condition. It may have cosmetic blemishes and could arrive repackaged. Also, if it says acceptable, the item shows heavy wear but functions properly. It may include scratches, dents, and missing accessories. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.